We're going to make another portrait tutorial with a frame around it. So to get started, we've got artcam opened up. Right click on model, new, from image file. We're going to select our image. Center, we're going to do this one 0.8 millimeters. Look at it in our 3D view. That's about right. There's not a lot of pixelation there. You can go back in and smooth all this out if you want. So we're going to go back to our 2D view and we're going to start our frame. We're going to start with a circle. We're just going to make it fit both of the heads. Make it a little bit bigger. I'm doing this on my little Acer, so screen size is relatively small. So we've got that there. Now let's give it a 2.5 millimeter offset for our border outward. Offset there. So that's going to be the basis of our frame. So we're going to get rid of everything else out here. Draw a large vector here. We're going to take the inside circle, hold our shift button down, get the outside square, F12, and zero everything else around it. So when we go look at our 3D view, all we have is that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to create our frame. One thing to notice is how thick this is. The thickest part is 0.8 millimeters thick, so this outside edge is really thin, 0.2, 0.02 in Z, so we need to thicken this up. How we're going to do that is we are going to create a new layer. I'm going to work on this layer, and let's hide this one. So now it looks like we've got nothing here. So we're going to take our inside circle, we're going to raise it 1.8 millimeters straight up, so we'll add that. And we're going to take our frame, we're going to go 2.3, give it a rounded angle of 20 degrees. We're going to merge high on this one. So there's our picture frame. Now, to get the portrait into it, we're just going to turn this layer back on. Look at all our edges, make sure the portrait isn't higher than our frame. Everything looks like it's staying pretty much underneath it. Now if you'll notice, everything is off center because of the way we had to make it, which is fine. We wanted to put a little loop up there for a veil. And what we'll do is we'll take this inside one and we'll offset it. We can't offset it 70. And we'll take it straight up, because now that's on the center line of our two circles. offset that one. .5, a little bit of angle, gonna merge high. Okay, if you don't want to do the bell yet, get rid of it. Export this as either a project file or a relief, then you can bring it into another and resize it to the dimensions that you want and continue to work on it from there.